To process Apple Pay contactless payment, start by ensuring your business has a compatible payment terminal that accepts contactless payments. This terminal should be equipped with near-field communication technology, which enables it to communicate with Apple devices. Next, inform your customers that they can use Apple Pay to make contactless payments at your business. This can be done by displaying the Apple Pay logo at the point of sale or on your website. When a customer wants to make a payment using Apple Pay, they will need to have their iPhone, Apple Watch, or other compatible device nearby. The customer should then hold their device close to the payment terminal and authenticate the transaction using Face ID, Touch ID, or their passcode. As the merchant, you will then need to confirm the payment amount on the terminal and wait for the customer to authenticate the transaction. Once the customer has done so, the payment will be processed, and you will receive confirmation that the transaction has been successful. To ensure a smooth transaction process, make sure your payment terminal is properly set up and configured to accept Apple Pay. It is also essential to train your staff on how to process Apple Pay transactions and handle any issues that may arise. In addition, consider implementing best practices such as clearly displaying the Apple Pay logo, providing instructions on how to use Apple Pay, and having a plan in place for handling declined transactions or other issues. By following these steps and best practices, you can provide a convenient and secure payment option for your customers and improve their overall shopping experience.